Before we start, the Ghost Riders won't be on this list because they're more of a force of nature and we saw what happens when they're on their own. Talia and Laura Hale won't be on this list because we haven't seen any feats from them, so I don't think it's fair to put them on a list like this. The Beast's strength is unparalleled in Teen Wolf. The only person that could keep up with it is Parrish. Not to mention its durability is insane. It was able to tank multiple bullets on different occasions without having much of an issue. And its power could turn a chimera into a real werewolf. The Beast also killed all of the Dread Doctors with minimum effort, and every other werewolf struggled against them. Parrish doesn't get enough credit for his incredible strength. He was the only one that could keep up with the Beast. If he wasn't in Beacon Hills, a lot more people could have been killed, and he also flipped Styles' Jeep without much effort that one time. Mountain ash isn't a restriction for him, he can literally burn through it.
What is he doing?
He can also open the rift to enter the Ghost Rider's realm. Deucalion was the leader of an alpha pack, and his entire pack feared his strength.
You've never seen anything like me. I am the alpha of alphas. I am the apex of apex predators. I am death, destroyer of worlds. I am the Demon Wolf!
And all of them were incredibly strong. He was literally laughing at Derek when he tried to fight him. Jennifer Blake sent the other werewolves flying with her telekinesis blasts, and Deucalion completely tanked it with no issues. His speed is also incredible. Dread Doctors. The Doctors embarrassed every werewolf in all of the fights they had with no effort, and even though it was their tech doing the work, they were still very strong until they got killed by the Beast. After Derek evolved, he was at peak werewolf strength. And prior to that, he literally punched through a wall, and he has the added bonus of fighting experience and being a werewolf his entire life. Scott gets called weak a lot because he's not consistently at his peak strength, but who would want a main character to defeat every opponent with no effort? He also carried Kira out of Icon House when she was emitting insane amounts of electricity, and we've seen what happens when werewolves get shocked. In my opinion, Douglas should have been much stronger than he was. He had the power of an alpha, a low image, and a Ghost Rider. He had a powerful bite that was significantly stronger than a bite from an average werewolf. But being trapped in the vat for 70 years ruined his lungs. The common argument that gets brought up when his strength is being discussed is that time he caught the Ghost Rider's whip, but everyone forgets that the tank he was in was contaminated with the venom from the whip. And he absorbed that for 70 years, and he also ate a Ghost Rider's pineal gland, so that made him invulnerable to being zapped like everyone else.
Divine move. Divine move. You think you have any moves at all? You can kill the Oni, but me? I'm 1,000 years old. You can't kill me!
But we can change you!
What?
Void needs no introduction. He stole the show in the second half of Teen Wolf Season 3, and we all know how powerful he is. He has supernatural strength that he barely uses, and he can make illusions. And his kill count is insanely high. The best part is he can't die because he's a spirit.
Regular Wolfsbane won't work on him, because he's not just part werewolf. He's part Cannonball.
The Kanima is one of the most powerful supernatural creatures we've ever seen on Teen Wolf. It can paralyze its target in seconds, it has insane durability along with supernatural strength and speed. It's surely a force to be reckoned with, but it gains the weakness of whoever is controlling it. So that's my list for the strongest characters on Teen Wolf. See you guys next time.